touching. I promise you, just touch my. He just touched my video. I have the video on YouTube.
Stop.
No!
Stop. That's another charge. And then we'll put this down. There we go, right there. All right, we'll roll her towards us when we're ready. Yep. We'll roll towards me and then up.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hi, where is the female?
She's on the second floor at the moment, but the guy that she's with is bringing her stuff down.
Okay. What does she look like?
She's a black female with short blonde-ish hair. The male is a taller blonde male with a fake Louis Vuitton sweater on.
Female, but how short is she?
Probably like an inch or two taller than me.
Okay. So is she younger, older?
She's probably in her early 20s.
Went up to the second floor?
I'm not sure what she's.
How's it going, sir? I'm Officer Prince LeGrand Shoot. I understand
Yeah, it was just the start.
something just happened here.
So she a little drunk here. You probably want my ID.
Yeah, can we just get your ID real
I
quick?
know. I'm trying to find a valuable solution. What I could do is take her to another hotel, get her room, let her rest. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Just try to make sure the situation is straight. But she got drunk.
So, I guess what caused all of this? I understand you said you're trying to resolution to the situation to move hotels, but what was their issue? What was the issue? Like between you two?
I ain't got no issue. You know what I mean?
Okay, but so then what was her?
I don't want to put nobody in jail or make no accusations
Yeah.
or anything. You know what I mean? I also don't want to decline to give a statement about it. But I know anything that I say obviously will be used against a person. You know what I mean? I'm not no goofy, so I'm gonna hold my peace. I'm just trying to make sure, you know, everything is cool.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
So we're just trying to figure out
What happened?
what happened here in the
that.
lobby. Yeah.
I didn't call y'all, so I can't tell
But
y'all
you were
everything.
involved though, right?
I'm not involved unless I did something. You get what I'm saying?
But you are.
I don't want to make it difficult.
No, I understand.
You know
But
what I'm saying?
who is the female to you then that caused all this?
So the female isn't any relations to me. You know what I mean? But I don't want to speak too heavily on stuff because I don't want nobody arrested. I don't want no. You know what I'm saying? Trust me.
No, I do not have. I'm 21. He got me drunk. I'm not able to drive home. I all the way to Milwaukee and I'm drunk. And he got me here to fuck. I don't know what to do. I'm drunk as fuck.
What's your name?
I'm Sierra. 21. I just started drinking. Yeah, so he got me here to fuck. Yeah, well, I'm not sober enough to go home, bro. He's mad 'cause I didn't want to fuck no more. And y'all should believe him over me, bro. This shit you there. I'm not even from Milwaukee, bro. The last thing I was, bro. You think I'm gonna after, bro? I know y'all watch the Packer games, bro. Do y'all think I'm gonna this after, bro? Like what the? And then little ass mad, bro. 'Cause I told this nigga, bro. No.
Can we start fresh?
Y'all just arrest me.
Can we start fresh?
Valid probationary license. You don't want to take
So I don't know. So when I started getting a glimpse of the personality, she got me drinking or whatever, I'm like, I cut her out. I actually hit the bottle. I'm like, nah, because you know, you're switching up a little bit. You know, you're starting to get violent, you're starting to curse a little much, and it was too out of ordinary. And she got to talking about different like people and scenarios, and I was like, okay.
You don't understand that this got 12 million, bro. Okay. Look at this, bro. He only mad because that girl started saying stuff, bro. When I said, like,
We walked downstairs, everything was normal. And she walked over to her and was like, she said something to her about, would you a man who has a girlfriend? I kept it real with her. You feel me? Everything's just casual. You know, we've been on that. Everything's cool. Consensual sex, everything. You feel me? I said, we're gonna go get some tacos. We're driving out college, we're finna go to the taco place. She got the acting weird. I'm like, okay.
Let me just get straight up. What happened with the plant?
bro, I just threw it. I ain't gonna lie. I could pay that, but I
Why'd
didn't
you
do
throw
it. I
it?
ain't gonna lie. Just because they were trying to put me out, bro. I feel like if I pay half, that's not fair to her to put me out, bro. That's not fair for her to tell me to get out. All type
So
of
were you mad at him or you mad at the hotel?
Yes, we just came down. We wasn't even really arguing for real. She just told me to get out. I feel like my car parked outside, bro. I just drove an hour, bro. I paid half too. Like, that's not fair. Like, I
When did
am
you guys
sorry
get
for
it?
that plant. If y'all gonna arrest me for that plant, y'all just arrest me.
Came right back through here, and I said, let's, you know, we're gonna come back. Well, when I parked the car, she get to talking stuff. She get out of her car. I said, well, you can come upstairs. You can go to sleep. I said, because you're drunk. I'm not gonna let you. You know what I'm saying? I just want to be responsible for you. I want to make sure everything is, you know, straight or whatever.
I am sorry for throwing that plant. Y'all couldn't arrest me for
We
that.
appreciate that. We don't want to arrest you. We just want to figure out what happened. That's all we're trying to do.
I just ain't shit like always, bro. Like, was the last nigga to go through my phone? Look at this shit. I'm just being stupid. Like, I'm just being stupid, clearly. That's all I'm doing. I'm drunk. Come on. I'm a little drunk. I can't even drive home. I live with my
Sir,
mom.
you have your ID on you? All right, let me take a look at that. Thank you.
Bro, it's not even fair, bro. He asked me to come up here. Like, you guys see how... Bro, I ain't gonna lie. No. This is not fair, bro. This week after he gets it, bro, he just f***ed me and made me. This week after he gets it, bro, he just f***ed me and
Sit back down.
like, you see how he's pushing
Sit,
on me?
sit back down. We're not doing that.
Stay seated.
It's not even fair. I hate white bitches like you. Oh. How far is this ticket gonna be? Is he trying to put his hand on me and shit?
So we're still trying to figure out what happened, right?
This bitch just trying to put his hands on me. He's trying to put his hands on me.
Stop.
He just touched my coochie, bitch. I promise you, he just touched my. He just touched my coochie. I don't know. I have the video of him touching my coochie.
All right, stop moving. Stop moving. Just roll towards us.
Keep rolling. Keep rolling. All right, you're purposely not rolling.
Y'all not rolling me over.
Right, here, take this. Jackson, go to our feet. One, we're gonna roll towards Jake. 1, 2, 3. Sit up. All right.
1, 2, 3. Go that way.
Man, bro. He just put his hands on me and everything. I swear to God, I hate being a black female. Bro, nigga can rip you all type of shit. Man, the white police officers just believe anything, bro. Can I call my baby to at least get picked up?
Sure.
Thank you.
Watch your foot, please.
Can you
Okay?
get my phone, please?
Yeah, I'll grab your phone. We're not stealing your phone. I promise. We're not stealing your phone.
I'm only 21 in college, bro. Go.
Grab your spit guard and just have it ready in case.
Was anything here damaged or is it just a mess?
Well, this is broken.
It is broken. Okay.
And then she also broke a glass over there, so
Where's the glass?
all over in front of that.
What was it from?
It
Was
was just
it
a cup. It had a flower in it, and then she brought me the flower after she broke the cup.
was it like in the lobby?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it was sitting on top of that cabinet.
I was talking to her for a couple days, but I met her here. She drove from Milwaukee. I don't stay here. I met her here. You feel me? At first, I went into the company.
Met
I'm like,
online or-
yeah.
Went online, met here. You
Met here.
went downtown.
Yeah, the most we went was from right here upstairs, straight downtown, right back here to you guys. That's it.
Consensual sex.
Video.
What time, give or take?
We're just covering everything, man.
We gotta cover all bases.
Yeah.
You know, I ain't no goofy. You know, everything is in there, videos and everything. So it's probably around.
Hang on to that. Okay, we're not going to take it now, but
Nah, it's
in
out.
case she does come back and say,
I can email it to y'all. I know
Yeah.
I got everything in here.
Jimmy, she's banging her head. She's banging her head.
Arrest me! No!
Stop.
You let this
That's
arrest
another
me!
charge.
You let this arrest
another
me!
charge.
You let this arrest me! Let this
Stop.
You let this arrest me! You let this arrest me, bitch! He touched on my.
Get out.
I'm not getting out.
Keep her up. Put her down. Put her down. Let go. What you got? Put it on.
And then we'll put this down. Here we go, right there. Alright, we'll roll her towards us when we're ready.
Yep.
We'll roll her towards me and then up. So roll her up. 1,
Two,
2, 3. Go feet first.
Y'all got my phone and stuff. You don't get that man name that me know. That's not fair. Everything.
Alright, get going.
And y'all put me in. I
We're at the
know.
OC with one adult
Call y'all
female,
from
6'9".
She spit on us 3 times already.
Look how y'all brought it up. And y'all laughing when I said, sorry, ma'am. Yes, you did. It's okay. I'm gonna get all y'all. Why you laughing? It's okay. You don't get all y'all. I didn't do shit.